You know what? I'm thinking we've got a little bit too much invested in the news, a little bit too much stimulation from the crisis that is the news. Do you ever notice how it's just nonstop crises? Almost as though they're trying to get you to come back and watch again and see what's happening tomorrow. And all of this dramatic representation of the world is harming our health. It's causing us to look outward rather than inward and within. It's distracting us of what really matters. And it's harming our relationships with other people, as well as, I believe, our relationships with ourselves. And let's just practice turning off the TV, turning off the radio, turn off the social media, turn it off for a little bit. And maybe you'll realize things aren't half bad out here. A little gloomy today, but other than that, the clouds are the only thing that are doom and gloom. The future is bright. Everything's okay out there, people. Just stop looking outward, start looking within, turn off the TV.